Hello, I am Vishwa and welcome to Flipkart. Whirlpool washing machines have long established their standing as a brand that understand the unique requirements of the Indian households and design their machines to specifically cater to those needs. Taking into account the weather and dusty conditions of our roads, the Whirlpool White Magic series comes equipped with an Agipeller with 3D spring-loaded scrub pads to knock off tough dirt and give the whitest white in any condition. The one on my left is a 6.5 capacity and the one on my right is a 6.2 capacity. The Whirlpool White Magic is a machine that actually senses the hardness of the water, and the intelligent hard water software adapts the machine programs for washing in hard water, giving better detergent action and soft bright clothes, thus resulting in 30% better cleaning in hard water. When you are in a rush, the Express Wash feature comes to your rescue and gives 50% faster wash for all wash programs. The Spa Wash system uses the cleverly designed spa drum with 50% lesser holes, which give a smooth wash and reduces lint generation. The specially designed prime mover and drum costs 40% lesser tangling and keep your clothes in shape and intact longer. If, like me, it seems to you that the washing machine takes forever to fill up, the ZPF technology is your savior. It fills the tub 50% faster, even when the pressure is as low as 0.017 MPa. Drawing on their decades of studying and perfecting the wash cycle, Whirlpool White Magic washing machines have been programmed with 4 unique wash programs that will take care of all your different washing needs. Realizing that we always don't have a full load to wash, the White Magic comes with choice of 4 different water levels, thus saving water by using the optimum water level. To prevent less than perfect washing and to protect electronic components from damage due to voltage spikes, the Whirlpool White Magic is fitted with smart sensors that automatically check for low water, voltage fluctuations, or both. Rather than taking on the tiresome job of keeping your naughty kid away from your washing machine while it's in use, simply engage the child lock and it will not allow your child to tamper with the working of the machine. This range of very intelligent machines feature the 6th Sense technology that adjusts water level, wash timing and detergent dosage based on your fabric type and load. The revolutionary stain wash carefully and thoroughly removes 16 types of tough stains, and the 6th Sense hot wash technology uses a built-in heater to give enhanced wash quality by heating the water to ensure optimum deployment of enzymes in your detergent that helps you remove the toughest stains, giving you the whitest white clothes. At 60 degrees Celsius, the hot wash also eliminates dangerous bacteria from your clothes and protects your loved ones from danger of any skin diseases. The White Magic is so smart that it cleans itself with the Auto Tub Clean feature, so you are saved the bother. And of course, to back it all up, the White Magic comes with 2-year comprehensive warranty. So viewers, my final word, Whirlpool prides itself in building India-specific products, and the Agipeller with 3D spring-loaded scrub pads is made specifically to clean clothes that face the Indian conditions, and also doesn't let the quality of water available interfere with the quality of its washing process by using its intelligent hard water software. So come get a Whirlpool White Magic today and witness the magic performed on your clothes. So are you still thinking? Come join the Flipkart family, sit back and relax while we bring you quick doorstep delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo for all our products and an assured brand warranty. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a perfect bye.